During the last 7 days of watching CNN regarding the global pandemic, there has been a dramatic rise in cases and deaths globally. Up until today, there has been 1,447,466 cases and 83,471 deaths globally. In the US alone, there have been 389,929 cases and 12,911 deaths. These figures are constantly rising, and New York remains to be the epicenter for this crisis. The governor of New York, Andrew Cuomo, states that his main concern is the lack of ventilators and hospital staff. He states that he has enough beds and field hospitals are being made, but the lack of ventilators and ICU staffing is still a shortage problem. Also this week, the governor of New York's brother, Chris Cuomo, has been found to be positive for the coronavirus. Luckily, he is on the mend now and quarantining at home in his basement. He is one of the lucky ones to beat the virus and not need to be hospitalized. Over in the UK, British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has also been tested and found to have the coronavirus. He eventually had to be hospitalized and is currently a patient at St. Thomas Hospital in London. He is expected to recover in the upcoming weeks. A ventilator was not needed for Mr. Johnson, although he is displaying breathing problems. In the past week, we have heard of a drug called hydroxychloroquine, which is being pushed by the Trump administration in its fight against COVID-19. This drug is being manufactured as the drug to combat the coronavirus. It has been previously used for the treatment of lupus and malaria, and it is still not known how effective it will be for the symptoms of coronavirus COVID-19. In our home state of Georgia, Governor Kemp finally ordered a stay-at-home rule and suggested all residents of Georgia wear masks or face coverings when going outside of their home. Grocery stores, medical facilities, and essential services currently remain open, while 98% of the workforce are working from home. There have been more layoffs and furloughs this last week, causing the unemployment rate to rise dramatically. New news today is that Senator Bernie Sanders has dropped out of the presidential race, leaving Senator Joe Biden as the sole Democratic nominee for the November 2020 election. Joe Biden has a strong following within his Democratic Party and has projected a favorite to be in the election this November. As we continue to watch and learn from these current events, we must remain at home and exercise social distancing. This has proven to be working and is helping to reduce the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Frequent hand washing, masks and glove wearing, and social distancing are all factors in the race to reduce the virus from escalating any further. There are about 6 states in the U.S. remaining who are not complying and have not ordered stay-at-home orders in their states. According to Dr. Fauci, a leading epidemiologist and lead speaker for the government on the subject, this is proving to be a problem, as he would like to see all states having the same ruling and all states complying to get effective results quicker in the fight to combat this killer pandemic.